Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Let us continue the problems of simple interest. Look at this question. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,000 at 7.5% per annum for 3 years, 3 months. Also find the amount. Okay, that is the question. Let us see the solution now. So look at the question here. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,000 at 7.5% per annum for 3 years 3 months. Time is given here 3 years 3 months. So that should be changed into completely years, right? So what is given here first? Principal amount is given. Principal amount P is equal to rupees 4,000. Rate of interest is given. R equal to 7.5%. Time T equal to 3 years 3 months. So that months can be changed into years. How? 1 year equal to how many months? 12 months. So divide by 12. So 3 ones 3 fours. That means 4 threes 12 plus 1 13 by 4 years. So time is 13 by 4 years. Okay, we can change it. Now what should you find? Simple interest, right? Formula we have simple interest I is equal to PTR by 100. Here you should understand 3 years 3 months means 3 months can be changed into years by dividing 12. 3 by 12. 3 ones 3 fours. 4 threes 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Okay. Now P value 4,000 into T value 13 by 4 into R value 7.5 upon 10. Okay. These two cancel. This I can write here 40, no? 4 tens are 40. If you multiply with the 10, point will go. So 75 into 13. This will be 13 fives are 65. 13 sevens are 91 plus 6. 97. So 975. Right? Correct. So this is simple interest, right? Simple interest, how much we got? I equal to rupees 975. Also they asked us to find amount. Also amount A equal to P plus I. Principal amount plus interest. Okay. So principal amount how much is there? 4,000 plus interest on that is 975. So rupees 4,975. Therefore amount A is equal to rupees 4,975. That is the solution. Clear? Let us see one more question. What sum of money, second question, what sum of money will yield rupees 170.10 as a simple interest in 2 years 3 months. In 2 years 3 months at 6% per annum. At 6% per annum. Okay, we are given here. What is given? Simple interest is given now. Simple interest rupees 170.10. Time is given. Time T is equal to 2 years 3 months. That can be changed in 2 years, right? 2 years 3 months means 3 by 12, right? So 3 ones 3 fours, 4 twos 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 years, like before. So rate of interest is also there. R equal to 6% per annum. We have I is equal to PTR by 100. What do you need now? It is clearly understood from the given data. Simple interest is there, T is there, R is there. What is missing here? P. So P is equal to 100I by TR. Got it? So TR should be shifted this side. 100 into simple interest, how much we have? 170.10 upon time 9 by 4 into rate of interest is 6. Okay? If you multiply with 100, this point will go. So 17010 into 2 twos, 2 threes. 27 by 2. This will be 2 by 27. Okay. Now which table will go? 3 table, 3 nines 27, 3 fives 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are. So 9 will go. 9 6 are 54, 9 3s 27. So rupees 2C, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. So 1260. Therefore, what is the principal amount? Rupees 1260. That is the end of solution. Okay? Clear? See the next question. Find the rate of interest. Third question. Find the rate of interest when rupees 800 fetches rupees 30 as rupees 130 as simple interest. Simple interest in 2 years 6 months. 2 years 6 months. Okay, rate of interest we should find here. Correct? What is given? Principal amount is given. P is given. How much? Rupees 800. Time is given. 2 years 6 months, right? We can change it into years completely. 6 months means 6 by 12. So 2 ones, 6 ones, 6 twos. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 years. Okay, next simple interest is given. I, rupees 130. What is our formula? We have I is equal to PTR by 100. What do you need now? Rate of interest. R we want here. So R equal to 100I by PT. 100 into I value how much we have? 130. P value 800 into T value 5 by 2. So we can cut 2 zeros here. 2 ones, 2 fours. Okay. 2 ones, 2 fours, 5 ones, 5 twos, 10, 5 six are 2 twos, 2 13s. So 13 upon 2 means 6.5%. Therefore, what is the rate of interest here? R equal to 6.5%. Okay? Fourth question. Find the time when simple interest on on 3,30,000 at 6.5% per annum is rupees 75075. So that is the simple interest, right? Interest is given. Time we should find here. Here I will find the time. What is given here? What is given? Principal amount is given, right? Principal amount is rupees 3,30,000. Okay. The rate of interest is given. R equal to 6.5%. In simple interest is also given. Rupees 75,075. Time we should find. That is missing here. We have simple interest formula PTR by 100. I want time. So put T here. 100I by PR, bring this side. 100 into interest amount 75,075 upon principal amount 3,30,000 into rate of interest 6.5. So 2 zeros cancel. Now 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 0. 5 ones. 5 fives. Again 5 ones. 5 fives. Again 5 ones are 5. 5 threes 15. 5 twos. 5 threes 5 threes. Okay. 3 fours 12. 3 fours 12. 3 ones 3 ones. 11 fours are 44. 11 nines are 99. 11 ones are 11. Okay. Now what is remaining here? 91 upon 4 into 6.5 can be written as 65 by 10. I will shift 10 into the numerator. 5 twos, 5 ones, 5 threes, 13 sevens, 91, right? 2 ones, 2 twos. 7 by 2 means 3.5 years. Therefore, time is equal to 3.5 years. Okay. This cancellations you can do yourself, no problem. Any table you can cancel it, but answer should be correct. Okay. That's all for today. We'll continue some more in the next class. Thank you.